Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope all you guys are doing great. Today is going to be a very unique kind of a video that I've never done before because today I have with me juniors from Christ University, Delhi NCR campus. So first of all, thank you so much guys for joining in. Palak, Amisha, Tanaya and Shubh for joining in this one. So guys, I was receiving a lot of queries about this specific video because I'm pretty sure you all want to know about Delhi NCR campus in detail. I've already made a couple of videos which you can definitely go check out. But this one is going to be from the heart. I've got almost all the representation that I need from psychology course, from law course, from BBA honors, and we will be discussing about each and everything that you as a student needs to know before you make the choice about going to Delhi NCR campus or not. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Without wasting any time, I would want you guys to one by one start and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Amisha and I'm a first year BA LLB student and I'm originally from Delhi. So I chose law basically in Delhi NCR campus because, Delhi, the law scope in Delhi is pretty good. And being around that area, that will help me in my career. So that was the main reason why I chose Delhi NCR campus.
Hi, I'm doing BSc Psychology Honors from Christ Delhi NCR, and I'm basically from Jaipur, and I chose this course because psychology is basically the top of Christ University, and nobody else offers BSc in psychology.
Hi, my name is Tanaya Chakrabarti and I'm originally from Mumbai and I'm doing BBA honors in Delhi NCR campus. The main reason for me choosing Christ University was BBA honors, and the speciality of this course is that doing a major in my third year in a one subject, so it's not something that every other college offers.
Hi, first of all, it's a pleasure to be here. I'm Shubh Bansal. I'm a first year student at Christ, BBA LLB, and I'm from Bihar. I have a general interest towards corporate law.
Thank you for joining in. So, okay, Amisha has told that why she chose up like Delhi NCR campus because she wanted to do law and she thinks that there's a better scope of doing law in Delhi. But I want to know about from you, Tanaya and Shubh, why specifically did you guys choose up Delhi NCR campus?
Well, first of all, as Amisha said, Delhi as a capital for administration of India, it offers a lot of opportunities for legal professionals. So with High Court and Supreme Court, everything being in Delhi, it's a lot of help. So it's full of opportunities. So I guess that's why.
Okay, Tanaya, what about you?
For me, it was more about the Christ University name. So I first applied to the Bangalore campus, which is the Bannerghatta campus for BBA, but I got selected for Delhi NCR and the Lavasa campus. But I did not choose Lavasa because they didn't offer BBA honors and Delhi did. So basically for the course and the Christ University name.
Okay, so now here Palak and Tanaya, you both are second years, and Shubh and Amisha, you both are first years. So I'm guessing like you guys only like all of you have been to the Delhi NCR campus already. Obviously Amisha and Shubh have been there for 1 month, and you guys two obviously have joined in and been there for quite some time. So I want you guys to be pretty open about whatever questions I ask you and your answers to the same. So first one, I would genuinely want to know about all of these things together, like in terms of your experience relating to faculty, towards the crowd and how the events and everything happen.
For me, I'm studying psychology in Delhi NCR, and Christ is actually like one of the top colleges for psychology. So the faculty is like, if you remove everything, the knowledge the faculty has is really amazing. Like even though some of the teachers get like a bit boring because of the paper, but still the faculties are really good. But talking about the events, it's like event, then exam, then event, then exams. So it's continuously events and exams wala loop.
That I think that comes with like the Christ package only. If you are joining Christ, you need to know that you have to be taking part in a lot of events and everything. So yeah, that is there. And how is the crowd, Palak?
I can see a crowd from literally every state. Like I know one person from Jharkhand, from Assam, from Punjab, from down south. like from Mumbai, everybody is there. So the
Okay.
diversity is really good.
All right. What about you, Tanaya? What do you think about it? DBA honors is proud and everything about the faculty and all.
Basically, the management faculty is quite big. It's one of the biggest in Christ, Delhi itself, and all the faculty has a PhD or in the process of that, and they are quite good and are very supportive and very academic. And when it comes to events, I was in various events such as the management fest and whatever co-curricular, extracurricular we have. And the thing about Christ is that they support you. They, the as in academics as well as in the activities, and they want you to go and do it, which will help you further in your life.
Right.
And as Palak said, the crowd is from everywhere in management, from the from north, from south. Most of my friends are from south, from Hyderabad, which I'm learning new languages, new culture, which is actually the greatest part of moving up away from home.
Right. That's there. Okay. What do you think about it, Amisha?
So yeah, as Palak and Tanaya also rightly pointed out, the faculty is really good. Like in the law department also, they're very strict about the studies, and they support you in every aspect of studies. Like maybe be it research paper or moot court, you want to participate in nationals, international, they will support you to the fullest. Yeah, bunking classes or going out, that college thing, that is always there. They will be strict there, but curricular wise also they make you so independent and stuff. Like in the first year itself, they have organized so many events. Like I have a good 2-3 page CV ready in the first year itself. So that is there.
I was checking your LinkedIn profile and I was like, wow, in just 1 year, this girl has done so many internships already. So yeah, that's great.
I think for law, we have a very well experienced faculty for sure. Although I have to admit, some subjects make us yawn and we have to watch football or cricket match at the last seat to get through that subject. But apart from that, I think overall the faculty is great and always ready to help us with any doubts whatsoever.
Okay, and how's the crowd for like law, and how are the events there? Do you guys like go for like debating championships, moot courts, everything?
Yeah, it is there. Like we have a lot of events in law specifically. We have moot court competitions, research paper, maybe memorial drafting, and there is a lot of scope in law department specifically, and the faculty is also very much supportive to that.
Okay. Palak, I want you to answer one question for me. Like, since I know you've like been there, like you're the senior most batch in Delhi, both Palak and Tanaya. I want to know about how has your routine been? Like once when you were on the campus, like full time there. So how was your routine like, and how would be like anybody's routine in Delhi NCR?
Starting from morning 9 a.m. classes, you have to be there because of the attendance. You cannot miss it. So we get up really early, we run through the corridors and sit in the classes, and we don't know how it goes to 4 o'clock. Like there's so many classes, but we still don't know how we go through all of that. And then after that we probably stay for events, or if we go back to hostel is really fun. Like we have a lot of fun in the hostel.
So are you into some sports or anything?
I think I'm more into indoor sports. We have foosball, table tennis, pool. So whenever we get time, we spend time there.
Okay, so like after college, do you do that? Like do you regularly play sports or anything? Like
Yeah. After college hours.
Okay. All right. So guys, this has been like the good part about it. You guys have been very decent with it, but I won't let you guys go off with like that. Directly, without wasting any time, I just want you guys to tell me about also the disadvantages of joining Christ. I'm pretty sure no matter what it is, there would have been 1 or 2 or 3 reasons, be it location, whatever. I don't want to say anything. You guys speak about it. Okay. But I also want you guys to tell me, what do you think are the disadvantages of joining Delhi NCR?
Yeah. So now that you've mentioned, like after the college sports, I think that is one of the disadvantages, because most of our hostels are off campus. So we have to either leave for bus or convenience or something like that. So it's like either you go too much late in the night, which is not possible in a place like Ghaziabad, or you don't play it.
Okay.
So
No, wait.
mostly-
Before 1 second, just before we like continue ahead, I want you guys to like give an overview of the hostels at Delhi NCR. How are they like? Is it inside the campus, outside? How far is it? What are the facilities? Everything. I also want to know about the hostels because a lot of parents will also be watching this, so they also know about the security of girls because like you three are girls. And so if you're also staying in like Christ University hostel, you can also pitch in and talk about the boys' hostel there.
So there are two hostels. One is for girls, other is for boys. The boys' hostel is like totally in front of the college, like just opposite to college, and the another one boys' hostel is like 3 kilometers from there, if I'm not wrong. And the girls' hostel is exactly next to the 3 kilometers wala boys' hostel ka building. So we have a lot of hostels, but all over Ghaziabad.
Okay.
And
Is there not something inside the campus?
there was a building like totally devoted to hostels last year, but now that we have more students and all of that, they have converted them into classes.
Okay, so that means there are no hostels inside the campus. There are Christ University hostels, but like 2 to 3 kilometers away from the campus, they
Yeah.
bought the buildings and made it to like Christ University.
I think one of the building has the topmost floor still as hostel, but I'm not sure about that because it's just one floor.
Okay, like the whole building wala thing is gone.
Yeah.
So actually, both the buildings are hostel. One building has on the top floor boys' hostel, and the other has the girls' hostel. But this year they are planning to completely remove it and turn it into classes. So then we will be left only with the hostel for boys that is just outside campus for places, not along.
Okay. Tanaya, can you like tell us about like what are the bus facilities and stuff for like the campus? Like what is it like specific time the bus goes and how is it there?
Yeah, so they give us the bus facility, the conveyance, morning and as well as in the afternoon. So a specific timing. So if my classes start at 9, so bus will probably pick you up at 8:30, 8:15. So you go to the campus, have your breakfast and then attend classes. And in the evening, I think till last year we had our bus timing at 4:30, if I'm not wrong. And then 4:30 we all go back to our hostels as it is.
Okay. And if somebody wants to stay in the campus, like be it go to the library or play some sports, then how do they go back to the hostel?
So that is upon you. If you want to stay back for any event or any practice, so then you have to go home, go to the hostel at your own expense, like book a cab or take an auto or whatever.
Okay. And is there any food provided in the hostels?
Yes. So last year when me and Palak were staying in the Christ hostel, so the people who serve us food in the campus, like the canteen people, they only provided us dabba at the hostel. So it used to come. So we had to pay the money in advance, whatever, for a month, and they provided us in the night for dinner.
Okay. And what if lunch is in the campus and
Lunch is in the campus. And for Saturday, Sunday, they used to provide breakfast and lunch as well. Sunday, not Saturday.
Okay.
मोस्टली हम बाहर से मंगवाते थे क्योंकि किसी दिन खाना अच्छा नहीं हुआ, किसी दिन दाल पसंद नहीं आई, बट इट वाज लाइक अ सेफ ऑप्शन फॉर अस कि यू नो कि कुछ भी हो जाए देयर विल बी अ डब्बा फॉर यू दैट वे.
And also to add on, there is this another hostel, the Easy Stays one. So that is also Christ. If you open the Christ website and go to the hostel facility, you will find the Easy Stays one. So me, Palak, Tanaya, we live in the Easy Stays wala hostel, and you have the bus facility as well. They will pick you up and drop, and the timings also they will manage. They will shift the timings to your comfort, and the food is also provided there. Like you have a proper niche pantry where they cook the food. We tell the chef that आज Chinese खाना है, Chinese बना देना वाला scene. So
okay, that was student hacks you find across everywhere. All right, getting back to disadvantages, what all other disadvantages disadvantages are there of Christ Delhi?
The
NCR?
location. The location.
Yes.
It's pathetic.
Why? Tell me why.
Because for a college, like being a teenager and imagining college, you get that DO vibes. Okay, that aisa hoga college, that's student of the year type. But when you go, that road is adha built. You just cannot walk there. Bus mein, matlab, it's really bad. Like you cannot book a Uber there. Also, the location is very bad.
So actually, I was comparing, so I was talking to one of the Delhi NCR students only, and I was comparing, like he also told me the pretty similar things. And that's when I was comparing it with my like Christ University Bangalore campuses wala thing or BGR wala, both of them are very student friendly areas. Like actually just around Christ only, there's so many like cafes, restaurants, everything. So for us, the moment our class used to get over, half of them used to go for dates or half of them used to, go for good like chilling sessions and, all of those things. When I asked him like, are you also doing that? So he was like, no, we don't do any of that because, there isn't anything around.
Yeah, so there are no malls around the college. That's the hard truth. Like around 6 kilometers of area, there are absolutely no malls, no cafes, nothing. You have to go outside walking in the sand and water mix roads, and then you have to walk outside.
You have a chota sa juice
It's
wala
a
near
very
the
bad
college.
word, I think.
Sorry?
You have a chota sa juice wala near your college. That's it.
That's all.
That's all.
And the momo persons.
All right.
That is
Like, so what do you guys do on the week? Just not only on the weekends, but weekdays also. I mean, we all used to spend a lot of time with our classmates or friends, chilling, like, not doing anything, but just bad guy baate kar rahe hain. We are doing all of that. We used to do it on regular intervals. So what do you guys do? What, like, were you guys in the campus only, or what do you do on weekends or whatever?
On the weekends, we are with our hostel mates. So we are not too much in touch with our classmates. We are more attached to our hostel mates. So we go out, we have fun, we go to cafes. Like the hostel is a bit far away, so you can at least get an Uber to go to a good cafe or to go to a mall. There are malls, but still they are far away. So
Yeah, I mean, there are malls and there are cafes, but from our college to go somewhere, where there are cafes around, you have to do a little bit of travel.
Got it. I mean, that's a
And-
little bit of hard work you have to do.
Yeah, and weekends, like what we used to do, we used to go to Delhi. Just go to the
Yeah.
metro station, straight on a metro and go to Delhi.
So, like, how good is the connectivity of like metros from Delhi NCR campus?
The
that's the
metro
best.
station is pass me here to the college. Yeah, that's one good thing about it.
The moment it is like you and your friends are ready, you get the metro and then you go wherever you want. Matlab, majorly on the
Yeah,
weekends.
From the college, it hardly takes you, that you have that sharing auto, it hardly takes you 10 rupees to the metro station. And that is one thing.
Great. So, okay, location ho gaya. I understand, like, Delhi is not a very student. Ghaziabad is not a very
Close proximity में बस.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Location is done. Hostels we are done with. What other disadvantages did you find? Be honest.
the hectic routine, it's really helpful for us at times.
Yeah.
So that is one.
I mean, I have been through that routine, so I can tell you, I can vouch for it. It's going to be much better because once you're in the real life, you'll understand. When you're even doing internships, right? You feel that it's so necessary to sit for 9 to 4 because in jobs, in your internships, you will be sitting like that. So, okay, that is there.
One of the thing I would like to mention that if you it's another school. If you go, it's not a college, it's another school. Like sometimes we even get caught a girl and a boy sitting together, that's it. But the guard uncle comes and asks for our ID cards and stuff like that.
Tell me about it. It has happened with me. Now, moving on to like another very important question. A lot of people have asked me, and I'm pretty sure none of you also have like a direct answer to this one. Is what are your plans with placements and like the future? Because, and specifically this goes for all the second years here, because you are the senior most batch. You don't know what is going to happen. You put your money into this undergrad degree where you are not really sure about the placements. So any little idea you have about the placements, how will it be? Anything, kuch pata hai, anything?
So yeah, I have talked to some of my faculties about placement as well, like in the mentoring, just like that. So they have told us like many hospitals, for me as a psychologist, hospitals are important. So many hospitals come, the like companies like Wipro and Dell and all of these are also coming for placement for HR and for BBA. So I think placement is one good thing that Christ offers, even if we are in Ghaziabad or we are in Bangalore. The placement we get is quite good.
Yeah, मतलब it's just अभी assumption पे है, we can't say about it. जब
Yeah,
तक
but we know
IMDb
these
until-
stats. No?
Yeah, until unless they don't come and actually hire, we cannot say anything. Tanaya, BBA honors placements really matter. Okay, so what is your take on that?
See, personally, I don't know what's happening with the placements right now, but there is a full-fledged placement committee, and my previous roommate used to work at, and she used to say that it's going quite well. Companies are going to come, and even now when we applied for internships through our placement committee, we all got very good internships through our colleges.
Okay.
So I think it's a good sign.
Wow. Okay. If they're giving you if they're giving you internship, then a lot of you people will already get TPOs also. So pre-placement.
Yes.
So that's great. Okay, they help you doing that. It's even better because in BGR and like the central campus, they don't help us with placement. Internships. Internships are on our own. They help us with placements. So yeah, that's great. Amisha and Shobh, what is your take on the law scene there?
Like, we honestly have no idea about it because our seniors, they're just the pilot batch.
Right.
So but like I had a conversation with the Bangalore people there, like doing law, so they got placed in very good companies and stuff. So they call like the alumni, we have seminars with them as well. So they are established in good places, like one is established in Maxwell Chamber, Singapore, doing arbitration. So it's just the hope that we have that we will get, because because Christ is mostly known
always getting us emails and everything about industries and corporates internships, but nothing more.
Oh, no, I think what I personally feel, like even though I never quote it like on video or stuff, because then people will held me responsible that you told placements ho jayenge. But I genuinely feel that if like Christ University to do really good with like the future batches, they genuinely, like for Palak and Tanaya, like the first pilot batch, like both of these courses, they genuinely have to have good placements. Only then like the future batches will join. So I guess so that will be there, and I guess I've majorly covered everything. But I want you guys, like if you have any more things to add, to share it with your juniors as an advice or anything, unique things about Delhi NCR, should join, should not join, speak it out.
I think for me, this whole experience in Christ has become a part of very much part of my independence. And if the juniors thinking that हमारी कोई social life नहीं रहेगी, this सब, please don't think like that. There's a lot that you can do, and the faculty is quite nice, and people are also very very well versed, and you'll make a lot of friends here. So I would suggest I would suggest this as a good college for everyone to come and join.
Same, like it has its own taste and its own thing. So it's a good thing to choose, I feel. Like, I am seriously not regretting the decision choosing Christ Delhi NCR. It's one of my, the correct decision I've ever made. And I think people should join in.
For the social life, and I mentioned, we just have to put in a little bit of more effort.
Yeah, I mean, little more traveling, little more effort. Because ज़्यादा दूर हो जाता है, people get lazy, but then you have to push your friends.
But then you will get good stuff. Like going to Delhi is really nice for me.
Okay, that's great.
So guys, one more important thing I would like to add on, the infrastructure of the college. So it's not that big, but on a small scale, it's beautiful. Like, I remember the first day I entered, all my friends were like, bro, big infrastructure, and they used to click pictures and put Insta story and all. It's good.
That's so true, because I have some of like your, I think, classmates only, or your batchmates who are on my Insta, and a few of them I'm following because I build like a personal rapport with them and all of that. So when the moment like the one month jo khula, that campus in between, and they were going crazy over it. A lot of them had put up reels. A lot of them every day stories.
They have highlights on their Insta pages saying Christ life.
Yeah.
Christ, my friends.
No, actually, I think one good thing about Christ is going to be the campus. Everywhere, anywhere. Ab DU se compare karo, to campus of Christ is going to be bomb all the time. Okay,
Yeah.
so
If
that
you
is
compare it from outside also, like the outside area, like just one walk away from our Christ, it's like totally sand, water everywhere, and now in
Chaos.
Christ it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
great.
Yeah, that
We tell our bus वाला भैया also that भैया, you know, campus के बाहर ही उतारना, इधर मत उतारना, अजीब सा लगता है. You know, you get that vibe. And the best part about the campus is the fresh it area. That
Okay.
is really beautifully made. Like I personally felt you have chairs, you have tables. You have the small little cat also who's always there on everyone's table, and people are chilling there, attending their classes and stuff. It's good.
It's a good mini family that you guys have built, and that's great. I think in some years' time, people are just going to die to get into that campus. तब वहाँ पे भी admission नहीं मिलेंगे.
And also this one thing, you know, the thing about ragging and all, you will not find in Christ, because I am telling you, Palak and Tanaya are my seniors, and मैं उनको डांट दे रही हूँ. You don't get that. The seniors are so helpful here. They're so supportive. They'll help you in every part of, you know, your day and stuff. So that is, it's overall, it's a good thing to join.
That's great. So thank you so much, guys, for doing this. I think we majorly covered everything. So again, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries, and meet your future seniors who are going to be there with you and help you in college as well. So take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.